So as you can see, yes, I have invested myself into one of these glamorous Hollywood mirrors. It rotates all the way around, and it also lights up with an LED using a little electric adapter. I am very happy with it. I didn't want a big massive mirror, just because I just only need a small mirror, and I would rather keep, for space saving, just a mirror that really is enough to look at your face to put your makeup on. I like the idea of having the extra additional lighting. And it has two different modes of lighting. So you have a really powerful light, and then I think it's just a normal glow on there. Or you can have it in the daytime without lighting at all. So there's a choice. So if I just plug in this, I'm just going to check, because I've only just opened this live with you, and I'm just going to check whether everything electrically works. Everything is fine. So let's plug this in, my nearest plug socket. Okay, so here is the mirror on. This is the Hollywood lighting, and you can see it's very, very bright. And here is the soft glow lighting, and it's very, very soft. I actually liked the fact that it's got a touch screen for the the buttons. It's just a touch screen, so that's really nice. And it doesn't affect you looking at yourself in the mirror. Just the extra additional information about these mirrors, that the actual bulbs are not you can't rotate them, because they're not the actual proper Hollywood big mirrors where you actually use proper bulbs, so you can't rotate them, otherwise they'll break. So additional thing I want to add that I've put into my room is a full-length mirror. I decided not to put it on the door. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I've actually put it onto this wall here, and it works very well actually. So what's happened is, I think that I've started to think that, why not use the back of my door to hang dressing gowns and other little wraps that I need, and I can use that for that purpose, but I can also have the full-length mirror on this wall, and it doesn't affect me hanging things on the back of my door, which I did want to keep actually. So this has worked out. As you can see over here, my dressing table and how it looks, everything is compact, everything is organized. I've put my mirror back. I'm very happy with it. So yes, I'm really loving that. I have put my curtains up. I've used the tie backs, which I'm also very happy with the look. Here is the vanity organizer, and I've told you I've put my special perfumes and creams on here. This is what I really wanted this for. You can use it obviously for jewelry, but I wanted it for just putting my perfumes on. So that's what I've done. I've also put the shelves up from IKEA, which I showed you in my previous video. If you haven't looked at that, go check that out now, so you can see how my room's progressing. And I've just put some bits and pieces. The pillows, I have changed the pillowcase covers of the little cushions I had on the back of my bed, from the burgundy to the pink. Here are the doorknobs. Beautiful. I'm really pleased with the decision that I made. When you put it all together and you see how it all looks, it just looks so much better. I put the two on the wardrobe as well, so it's all matching, and yes, I'm really liking that. So now I'm going to just show you how I've organized my makeup and everything else, so in a bit more detail. So there you see, and here I've got my cotton pads. Haven't got the earbuds yet, put some in there later. The rotating cosmetic organizer, I've just put odds and ends, hairsprays, a lot of hair products actually have gone onto that. And here I've used it for my nail varnish polish polishes, which is what I said I wanted to use it for. In this little trinket box here, I've just got my dress up rings. They're not expensive rings, they're just dressing up rings. In the bottom drawer here, I keep all my nails, so I know where all my nails are kept with the glues as well. So second drawer, my cosmetic brushes, so everything's organized now, I know where to find them. Blusher, eyeshadow in this compartment, eyeliners, all my eyeliners in this compartment here. Above I've got my lipsticks, mascaras, eyebrows, all my makeup brushes and sponges, and just some lip liners go into there, and glosses. In the bigger drawer, which I said I needed for more bigger things, I've got like nail polish remover, instant fix and go spray, different creams, deodorants, Vaseline, just all your little bits and pieces, makeup remover, lotions. Also in my second drawer I've got the all my foundations, and there are a lot of foundations and all different types, so I always wanted just a separate drawer to keep them all in because it can get messy, so I keep them all in that drawer. The next drawer I keep all of my jewellery, so this goes bracelets, everything, earrings, necklaces, watches, all in this one here, so it's big enough to take it. And then at the bottom here I've got all my hair brushes and hair bobbles, hair clips, any accessories for hair, it will go in the bottom drawer here. So these are the clips when I'm dividing my hair. So yes, I'm very happy with all of this, and just a mirror here, and I also put my Hollywood mirror as well. So the biggest change that I would be making to my room is the flooring. I have had to remove most of the furniture, empty all of the wardrobes in preparation for this carpet to be removed, and a nice dark wood floor is going to replace this carpet. So I have left the room in the best way I can, so that the men that come to fit the floor can work around the minimal furniture that's left in this room. So here I am up against the wall. So as you can see, the chest of drawers have been removed as well out of this room. So yes, I am looking forward to seeing the transformation of the floor, because I think with the plain wood floor it won't look as busy than this carpet with all the colours on there. It is a very good carpet, I'm not going to lie, but because I am changing the dynamics of the room, this is the wood flooring that I have chosen. It's literally outside of my house with the beading that matches, and here it is. Here is the floor in my room. I'm loving the darker floor. I think it looks a lot more richer. Everything against it will look a lot better, especially with whites. It just gives it a nice clean cut. So yes, away with the carpet, and here is the wood floor. There's the beading, which is colour matched to the floor, so it all looks very flowing. So yeah, I'm happy with the changes. So this was a big change. So this is you know, part of my room update. So I did say I would change the floor, and now that I have, I'm very happy with the look. So this is putting the furniture back into the room with the curtains. I think it looks a lot more cleaner, it looks a lot more spacious, I think. Yes, I'm very happy with it. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come, and a very big thank you for watching. And there's that wall glistening there, and that's in the daytime, so glitter walls. Bye.